It's 11 o'clock, actually 11:01. If you are here, please leave a comment and let me know that you're here. We'll get started in just a couple of seconds. I hope you're all doing well today, if you're on. Let me know if you're here by leaving me a comment. Hi, Rebecca. Isn't that funny how, hi, Diane. Good to see you this morning. We're gonna do this fun card. It's called a 4-piece puzzle card. Another way to use up small pieces of your designer series paper. And I'll share, of course, additional ones. Hi, Yvonne. Thank you for joining, ladies. I appreciate it so much. And okay, it's 11:02. We need to get started because I don't want to keep you forever. But we're going to do this card this morning. It's called the 4-piece puzzle card. And it's fun to do, and I think it's really striking, and it's simple. Great way to use up small pieces of paper. Very easy. So, hi, Lori. Thank you for joining. So we're going to make this 4-piece puzzle card. I'll share the measurements first. So we have the basic white thick cardstock, 11 inches by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2. And just as an aside, you know, they had decided they weren't going to carry the 8 1/2 by 11 thick cardstock. Well, I was just floored. That's a basic. And so I wrote in, I made comments on some of the sites that Stampin' Up follows, the Stampin' Up Leaders site, and they brought it back, and they are not going to get rid of it. I'm so thrilled because they listened to us, and I know that some of you wrote, and that really does have an impact, especially from customers. So anyway, basic thick is going to be still available. The next piece is the mixed media Florals designer series paper, and this is 4 1/2 by 3 1/4. This is the other side, but we're going to use the dark side this morning. And then the mixed media designer series paper cut at 4 inches by 2 3/4. And the finished sections, there's going to be 2 that are 1 3/8 by 1 1/4, and 2 by 2 3/4 and 1 3/8. And I will put the measurements down underneath. So the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to cut. This is the piece we will be cutting, and I'll show you how to cut that. So we're going to cut it, and we're going to put this is 2 3/4, and half of 2 3/4 is 1 3/8. So this right here, this is 1 1/8, 1 1/2, and then between that is 1 3/8. And that's half of 2 3/4. So we're going to cut that in half. Hi, Renee. Thank you for joining. So we're doing this card, Renee, just in case you didn't see it. It's called the 4-piece puzzle card. And you can rewatch the first of it. So now this piece, I'm going to, because it's at the top, the small piece is at the top, and we're going to keep these together so that they look like they belong together. So we're going to turn this around, and we're going to cut that at 1 1/4. So we cut it in half. This is 2 3/4 by 4, and then we cut this one in half. Yes. Put the one with the DSP measurement so I can take a, sure. Let's see, mixed media Florals, and then this is the cut for it. So there we go. I think you can see that. Oops, I have it on, no, I have it on the right side. So did you get that, Rebecca? Okay, so now I've cut that in half at 1 3/8. And then I'm gonna take this piece, and because I want the top cut off, I'm gonna cut it at 1 1/4. And I'm gonna keep these in line so that I don't mess them up, because I want them to look like they're part together. And then this piece, I'm gonna turn it because it is the bottom part that's cut off. So I'm gonna turn the bottom part and I'm gonna cut it at 1 1/4. Now this is a really, really quick and easy card, so I won't keep you long. So now I'm going to put those, get rid of this, and I'm gonna put those on the black piece. And I'm just gonna lay them on here, line them up, make sure I have them right. So if I were put that back together, it would be like that. So like this, and then this one goes at the bottom. So there's the puzzle pieces. So now I'm gonna add some seal to it and put them down. And I'll put that one right there. And then we'll put this one down. You can see that they all line up, which is cool. I love using up small pieces of my DSP. I have so much. And so now I have it all together. And then the only thing we need to do next, and I will have the measurements down below, and then you can refer back to the video if you need to see it again. So I'm going to put this here, and I will lift it off, so I'll turn it over. And I'll just put that right there. So quick and easy. And then I'm using the Mixed Labels stamp set, and this has the With Sympathy, and I really like that, and I needed a sympathy card, so this is perfect. So I'm gonna just stick that right in the center. And then I'm gonna add some of the antique pearls. I love these antique pearls. I'm using them so much. And the nice thing is you can color them with the blends, and they color, so you can match anything. I'm gonna use just the plain ones today, and I'm gonna add one right here. So that's the card. I mean, how quick is that? 5 minutes maybe? I don't know, but it's really, really, really quick. So if you share my my video, click on the share button, I will send this card to one of you. So, oh, and I should show you the dies. These are the Mixed Labels dies, and they come with, this is the one I use. It has a leaf, and it has a couple more, 3 more that you can use for the sentiments. And then this one is 4 more you can use with the sentiments. And it has a little, I don't know what that is, but I haven't used it yet. So now I will show you the extras. You know, I always have to make extras. So this one is using the Botanical Textures DSP, Designer Series paper. And it says, just a note to let you know you're on my mind. Isn't that pretty? And then this one is using the one I used last week, the Lovely Garden. And it says, for a great friend. Thank you. Yes, yes, Renee, you can color them, and they match anything with the blends. You probably could with the Stampin' Write markers too. Online exclusive. Yes, this is the paper that's the online exclusive, the one I use. Hi, Amy. Thanks for joining. And then I used the floral garden on this one, added a ribbon and made an anniversary gift, anniversary card. Oh, it would be a gift too. This is an anniversary card and I need one coming up soon. So this was perfect. And that was also from the Mixed Labels. I used all the Mixed Labels sentiments. And then this one, this is using the Mixed Floral stamp set, and I actually stamped it, colored it, and I cut it. So I thought that was really neat, and used the antique pearls on it. Some of them I used and some of them I didn't. Thank you, Rebecca. These are really fun cards. I mean, and again, using up, well, this one I didn't, but you know, you can use up your designer series paper, making these cards that take small pieces. So here, these are all the cards that I made, and I had fun making them. I stopped at 5 or 4 or 5, but I could have gone on and on because yes, the Mixed Labels is online only. You're right. The Mixed Labels is paper. This is the Mixed Labels Mixed Media Designer Series paper, and then the stamp set and the die are an online exclusive. Yes. So that's it. Quick and easy. Thank you, Yvonne. These are fun. I mean, just remember to keep your puzzles together. You know, cut the top and then cut the bottom, and then so that they will line up and they look like they're just split apart. So I did that with all of these 4 and this one too. So you can stamp, you can use your paper up. You know, it's just so versatile. So thank you. Yes, you can, Renee, for 30 days, but then I will transfer it over to YouTube so you can use it. It'll be on YouTube. So if you, it's Jan Stamping Creations on YouTube. So you can find me on YouTube. If you need me to send you a link, I can, to all my videos, because all my lives go on YouTube. Facebook is going to delete the live broadcasts after 30 days. And so they won't be on Facebook, but they will be, I transfer them all to YouTube, so you'll be able to see them there. So y'all have a great day, and I will let you go. And if you share, I will send this card to someone. Thank you.